So here we have the Ford Fiesta 1 litre EcoBoost Zetec on a 13 plate. We're going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see not only is there plenty of boot space, but a 60/40 split folding rear seat as well, so that you can increase that space should you need to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way around. Looks really good in this colour as well. So just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are as good as new. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. The fuel gauge appears in the middle at the bottom, and then above that you can see the total miles on this car are 30,003. You can change the information that's displayed up there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy info, all the way back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side of the wheel we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button in the middle, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone from your pocket or your bag. That is of course once the phone is paired, which is done using the stereo system and screen directly in front of it. So before we get back to the phone, I just wanted to show you first of all the radio. So this car's got FM and AM radio. Every push of the radio button will give you a different frequency all the way back round to the beginning again. There's plenty of other ways to listen to music in this car as well. You have a CD player, USB input, auxiliary input, and coming back to the phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. All you need to do on the stereo is push the button labelled AUX for auxiliary, and you'll see it will show you there the USB connection, Bluetooth audio, and then if you plug in an auxiliary device, it will also bring that up on there as well. So as I say, plenty of ways of listening to your music. You can see the CD player at the top of that unit. The buttons I was pressing a moment ago are the ones down on the left, so radio, auxiliary, CD player. You can pair your phone from there, and main menu is done through that one. Beneath that we've got the air conditioning. So fan speed is adjustable on the left, temperature over on the right, direction of the air in the middle just here, and then air conditioning is on when that light is on. So push that button to turn it off should you wish to. You've got a heated rear screen, and as this is a Ford, heated front screen as well. Beneath that we have a button for turning off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel when you're stationary. If you'd rather not use that system, hit that button and that turns it off. You then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, and directly beneath that a 12-volt charging socket, as well as the auxiliary and USB input that I mentioned previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call at Henlow Car Sales. We'd love to hear from you soon.